a 1969 Ford Cobra two-door hardtop, royal maroon over black, R code 428, one of 3,900 built. This thing was a screamer. This thing was straight line.
Thank you. Here's a screamer for you.
This thing was like a wolf in, you talk about wolf in sheep's clothing.
It really was, yeah.
You know, this thing was...
It's so pedestrian looking. It's got,
it is very
few little features that are that give it away, but man, it just looks like a regular car.
I would imagine a lot of people would see that and not have any idea that it's of anything of any significance. It just looks like an old cool car from the 60s.
Yep.
You know, what would be special about that other than the 428, the close ratio top loader manual, R code, 51,000 actual miles on this car.
Yep, Cobra Jet.
All in a quarter mile at a time.
That's right.
Doesn't sound like a lot until you start doing the math. And then you go, oh, well, maybe that's a little more. But this one's been redone, obviously. And very, very desirable, rare, potent. You fill in all the adjectives you want on this particular car.
Great car.